Hello, welcome to Dominic Does It, where I turn my inexperience into the experience. We all experienced something during when the pandemic hit, and I decided to add another skill amongst the things that I do. So I want to talk today about my storage issues. As you can see, when I leave a job site, when I say I'm ready to go, I'm ready to go. I have no organization here. And what this does is, when I'm going to the next job, it costs, I waste a lot of time looking for tools. And if I can't find a tool, I end up headed back to the store to buy that tool, and that's cost, and it all adds up. So I'm starting to look into different systems and solutions. I know one of my goals is to buy the 6x12 enclosed trailer, but I haven't made enough money for that yet. So what I'm gonna try out is try to utilize storage systems like this. I was kind of surfing YouTube and seeing what other contractors and guys are doing. I see some guys tricking out minivans and stuff and building all kind of systems. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. So I kind of went through it a while ago. I like it. All these products are compatible with this system. This was inside the box. So the system feels good. Feels a little loosey-goosey. I don't plan on weighing it down too heavy. The latches feel pretty strong. A rubber gasket around it. Let's see. So I'm not sure if you can see that, but that's the inside of the box. Feels pretty solid. Feels pretty solid. Something like it. I like how the lid kind of stays up. Don't be slamming down on you. Carrying case. Nice little depth there. And the final box. Little case. Nice little depth. Feels pretty solid. So I'm gonna put some stuff in this thing and see what it looks and feels like afterwards.